our software to perform optimally. Now, if the software takes excessive time to load or stalls while performing, the users will simply switch it off. Now, if you are losing customers, then you are losing business to your competition. That's exactly why performance testing has become such an integral part of our everyday life. Apache JMeter is one such testing tool that is used widely when it comes to performance testing. Hi everyone, this is Shantini from Edureka, and in today's session, we will see the installation process for Apache JMeter. Now, before we begin today's session, let's have a look at the agenda. So first we will have a quick introduction to JMeter, and then we will move on and have a look at the prerequisites to install JMeter. And finally, I will show you the different steps that are involved in installing the JMeter testing tool. So let's get started. So what is a JMeter? Now, JMeter is one of the Java tools which is used to perform load testing client or server applications. Now, Apache JMeter is an open source software which is also 100% pure Java desktop application, and it is designed to load test functional behavior and measure performance of the application. Now, it is one of the most preferred tools because it supports multiple load injectors managed by a single controller. It is also highly portable and supports all the Java-based apps. Now, JMeter has a lot of advantages when it comes to performance testing. And that's exactly why it has become one of the most used testing tools these days. So now let's have a look at the prerequisites before installing our JMeter. Now, JMeter is an open source testing tool, and there are no such bindings, but we have to keep certain things in mind before installing this particular tool. Now, JMeter is basically compatible with all the operating systems such as Linux, Windows, Mac OS, and Ubuntu as well. Now, one important thing that we have to keep in mind before installing JMeter is that it is a 100% pure Java application. So it is a must that you have Java installed in your system already. Now, because JMeter is pure Java desktop application, it requires a fully compliant JVM 6 or higher version. Now, for that, you just need to download and install the latest version of Java SE development kit. And that's all. You don't need anything much in order to install your JMeter testing tool. So these were some of the prerequisites. Now I shall show you the different steps of installing JMeter. Now, as I said, before I start downloading the JMeter tool, we first have to check that if we have Java installed in our system or not. So in order to check if Java is installed or not, I shall go to the command prompt first. And here I'll just check Java space -version. Now this will give me the version of Java that is installed in this system already. So you can see that I already have the Java version 1.8.0 installed in my system. In case you do not have Java installed, it will show you that this does not exist, and then you just have to go back and install Java in your system. You can definitely go for the latest version that is available. So now once you have known that there is Java already installed in your system, let's get back and see how to install JMeter. Now, in order to download the Apache JMeter, we'll go to the official website, that is the jmeter.apache.org. And from here, we will be downloading our latest version of Apache JMeter. So it shows that we require the latest version of Java in our system, which I already have installed in my system. So now I will be downloading one of these binary files for JMeter. So here I'll be downloading the zip file. Now it's a very simple process. So in order to install Apache JMeter in your system, all you have to do is go to this particular website, look for the binary files, and in the binary files also you have two options. Here I have downloaded the zip file, and once you click on the download, you just wait for it to get completed. So now once the download is complete, we will open and run the file. Now once the download is complete, so we have downloaded the zip file here. So all we need to do is we have to extract the file in our system. So I'll extract the entire folder here. So you can set any location where you want to save this file. Now once the file is extracted, we will go inside the Apache JMeter folder. Now inside this folder, there is another folder named as bin. Now once we enter inside the bin folder, so here you can see there is an application file named as JMeter. So you can create a shortcut for this as well. Like if you want to store your JMeter in your desktop, you can create a shortcut for this file as well. So now with this, the installation of your Apache JMeter is completed. Yes, exactly. It's that simple. So now all you have to do is double click in your JMeter application and your Apache JMeter is ready to run. So here it is. This is your Apache JMeter running all fine in your system. So this is the user interface of Apache JMeter where you can perform any sort of test that you want. Now it is divided into two work frames. Now in the left work frame, we add our threads, groups, test plan name, we add our listeners, samplers, or whatever we are performing. And in the right work frame, we put all the values or the number of threads or users or in which website we are performing our test plan. So now I'll run a quick example and show you that our Apache JMeter tool is up and running. And yes, it is that easy to install Apache JMeter in your system. And also it is very easy to work using this particular tool. So that's when you will know that why it is one of the most preferred tools when it comes to performance testing. So now let me name my test plan as Edureka. And now let me here add some threads, that is thread group. So inside the thread group, I will put the number of threads as 5 and I'll put the loop count as 20. Now before we perform any action, we first have to save this test plan. So I'm saving this test plan as edureka.jmx inside my bin folder. So the extension for this is .jmx. Now here I'll be adding the sampler under which I have the HTTP request. Now inside HTTP request, I'm supposed to specify the server name or the IP or any such path on which I'm going to perform the performance testing. Now here let me take the example of our Edureka website itself. So in the server name or in the IP area, I'll write www.edureka.co. Now we have to specify our path here. Now we will just specify the path here that will go inside our Edureka website page. So let me save this as well. Now here we have created our HTTP request, but where will it show us the result? Now in order to get the results, we will go to listener and we have loads of options on how we want to view our result. So suppose I want to view the results in the form of a table. So let me select this option which says view results in table. So now once I run this test, I will get the result of my test in the form of a table in this particular section. So let's see how it works. So here I'll start my test. So now you can see that the loop count is going on and the test is being performed. So in our thread group, I had provided 5 users. So it will take 5 users and it will go on for 20 loops. So here each of the user or the thread will go on for 20 loops. So you can see that the test is being performed for all of those 5 users. And also the loop will go on for 20 times for each of these loops. This is not very time consuming either. And also in the form of the table, you can see that the status is green, which means that the test is going on perfectly and there is no error as of now. Also here you can see the sample time, the bytes, the sent bytes, latency, and also the connect time, as in how long it takes for the server to take the connection. So this was just one way of viewing your result. You can also view your results in the form of a tree or in the form of graphs as well. Now Apache JMeter helps you in analyzing your results pretty well because it provides you so many options on how you can analyze your report and how you can figure out how your website has been working or anything that you are performing the test on. You also saw that the installation process of Apache JMeter is also very simple. All you need to have is Java pre-installed in your system, and then you have to go to the main website and just download this Apache JMeter tool and just run the application. And this provides you with this user interface where you can perform your testings pretty easy and clear. And also it's easy to analyze all your reports and how your website has been working. So I hope this video will help you in installing your Apache JMeter tool and also help you in performing your tests in easier ways now. If you face any trouble, you can leave your comment in the comment section below and we will get back to you and try to help you in every possible way. Also, if you want to know more about how JMeter works and also how you can perform load testing in JMeter but in the non-GUI method, you can check out our video on JMeter tutorial and also load testing using JMeter. Stay tuned for more such videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, thank you and happy learning.
I hope you have enjoyed listening to this video. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries and we will reply them at the earliest. Do look out for more videos in our playlist and subscribe to Edureka channel to learn more. Happy learning!